so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
It's me, Blippi, and today we're at Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Whoa! Ha-ha! And today, you and I are gonna learn about the word crush. Do you know the word crush? Yeah, it means to destroy, pulverize, and just smash things. Come on, let's go. Wait a second. Do you see what I see? Yeah, eggs. Whoa, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. I love eggs, but today I'm not gonna eat this egg. Today, I'm going to crush this egg. Ready? Okay, let's find some more things to crush. Woo! Hey, look! Whoa! Look at what it is! It's a soda can! I think we should crush this, but be sure to never try this at home. And the only reason why I'm gonna do it is because I have shoes on. All right, here we go! Whoa! Look at it! It's so small! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! I love crushing things! That was awesome! Oh, hey, perfect! Look at what it is! This is a watermelon. And it looks like it's ready to be crushed! Oh! Are you ready? Oh! Whoa! Yeah! That's awesome! Yeah! Look! The watermelon is crushed! Alright, let's see what else we can find and crush! Whoa! Wait a second. No way! There's a car right there! Let's crush the car! Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa! Before I crush the car, I need to wear my safety gear. Alright. Whoa! I have a bright yellow safety vest. Perfect. Alright. And then I got my hard hat and safety glasses. Alright. Wait a second. This needs to be perfect. Okay, here we go. Oh! Alright. Let's give it a whirl. Whoa! Whoa! I'm trying to crush it, but it's not really working. Let's try the door. Oh, interesting. I'm not getting very far. All right, one last one. All right, anywho, I have an idea. We need a bigger tool for this job. But before that, let's write crush on it. Perfect. All right, we have some spray paint. We have red, green, blue, pink, and black. So first, let's take some white paint. All right, pour some in right there. And let's give it a nice white base coat. All right. Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Perfect. A little bit more white right there. All right. our colorful spray paint. And let's paint the word crush on it. All right, let's start with the color green. Perfect. All right, what other colors do we have? Let's do red. Yeah! C-R. Now let's do black. Oh, yeah! Just 2 more letters. C-R-U. Let's use the color pink now. All right, last letter. C-R-U-S. The color blue for the letter H. Wrote the word crush on it. All right. C-R-U-S-H. Woo-hoo-hoo! Now we're ready to crush this. So let's get a big machine for this. Ha-ha! And the perfect machine is a toy excavator. Whoa! What better machine to destroy and crush this car than an excavator? But wait a second, this toy can't do it. That's why I have a real excavator! All right, let's crush this car. Okay, first things first, let's keep this toy excavator right back there. Let's put on our headset. All right. Perfect. All right, and now let's put on our hard hat. Okay, so let's take our safety belt. Yeah, just like the seat belt in your car. Now that we're all strapped in, we're ready to crush. Now, let's crush it some more! Yeah!
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet?
No feet? How do you get around?
I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm in the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit. It's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Excavator.
Whoa! That was so crazy crushing that car! Let's go check it out. Come on. Whoa! Look the letters. C R U S H. Crush! Whoa, look at it. It's so crushed. Whoa, here's the steering wheel. Whoa, and the seats and the windshield. Wow, that was crazy. Well, thank you so much for learning about the word crush with me. And hey, special thanks to Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada. Well, see you later, kids. Bye-bye. Woo! Okay, now I'll show you the parts of the bucket truck. Come on. Woo! Look at this. A compartment. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. Like a tape measure and, ooh, a flathead screwdriver. So many other cool things in there. Ooh, another compartment. Whoa! Giant snippers! Snip, snip, snip! And, whoa, look at this. Really heavy mallet. That's heavy. Okay, shut that. Ooh, look! A fire extinguisher, just in case if there's a fire anywhere. Ooh, and some road cones up here. Oh, look down here. Whoa, this is a stabilizer leg. They go down and stabilize the truck while the operator's really high in the sky in the bucket. Okay, let me show you up here. Wow, look at this. This is a go light and it moves, see? Okay, check this out. It's like a spotlight. Watch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's kind of like it's a disco light. Come on. Whoa. Look up here. These are the lower controls that operate the boom and the bucket from down below right here. Woo. And spray paint. Wow. I bet that's useful. And whoa. Look at these. Giant bolts. Wow. That's huge. And then we have some more cones and some folded up road signs. There's a lot of them in here. And come back here. Wow. See, this is the bucket. That's where you stand and then you go really high in the sky. That is so cool. Okay, come here. I'll show you inside the bucket van. Come on. Wow, there's other cool things in here. Like, another screwdriver. Okay, here, take a peek. Wow! Whoa, look! I set out some stuff that was inside the bucket van. Okay, we have a pedestrian headlight. It says stop and go, and it counts down right there. Ooh, a socket wrench. And a small adjustable wrench. A medium adjustable wrench. And a giant adjustable wrench! This is called a crow's foot. Wow, it's used for odd-shaped nuts and bolts like that. Whoa, isn't that cool? Look over here. We have a red light, a yellow light, and a green light. Whoa, and speaking of green lights, look, this is the green light button tester. Just like when emergency vehicles, like police cars and fire trucks, when they need to get somewhere really quick, they have a button inside that shoots a light, whoa, into this thing. Ah, it's really bright. And then that turns the lights green. Whoa, okay. Ooh, another road cone. A road sign. And speaking of safety, we have our safety equipment, like my bright orange vest. Whoa. See? So orange. And then, whoa, look at this. This is a harness. This is used so then you wear it while you're up in the bucket. So then if anything ever happens, you're strapped into the bucket. So, strap this right here. Okay. And then, one around your belly. Perfect. And then 2 down here. Got it nice and tight. And another down here. Wow. Now I feel really safe. But still, jeez, this is kind of heavy. But I gotta put on my gloves. Bright orange gloves. 1, 2, and last but not least, my hard hat. Whoa! Here we come. Going really high in the air. You guys see the traffic signal lights? We're just gonna do some maintenance and make sure that they work. Okay, it looks like the lights are in perfect working order. Now, we're gonna head on over here to the black thing over there. And that is a sensor, and it senses the magic green light button. Now that we're at this little black sensor, we just need to clean it, and then we need to test it. And this is used for when emergency vehicles push their magic green button to flash lights, and then it'll turn green. Watch! Okay, look! That's turning and that's green! So that means it works really good! Whoa! So we're up here looking at this street light. It's an LED street light. And it wasn't working, but we fixed the wiring.
Fixing the lights up in the sky, there's a handyman. Way up high on that neon sign, high above the land. And everybody wants to know, how did he get way up there? It's real simple, look over there. It's a bucket truck that takes him up and up, going high above in a bucket truck. It's a truck with an arm and a platform attached. It can raise and lower you just like that, going up, 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 up in a bucket truck. Gotta fix power lines, get a kitty cat from a tree. Whoa, 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 a bucket truck is all you need. It's a truck with an arm and a platform attached. It can raise and lower you just like that, going up, 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 up in a bucket truck. Going up, up, up in a bucket truck. Going 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 up.
Woo! Look at what's behind me! This machine is called a forklift. And today, in this video, you and I are going to learn about forklifts! Now, let's learn the parts of a forklift. Come on! Whoa, look at that up there. That is the cab. That's where the operator of the forklift sits. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, look at these. This is a wheel and tire, and this is a wheel and tire. This one is really big. And this one is really small. Whoa! Wow, look at this tall thing. This is called the mast. And this right here, this is called the carriage. Ooh, and these are the forks. Nom, 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 nom. And these three things are what lift the pallet. Oh, hey, and look at what it is. This is the dance floor. I mean, the pallet. Come on, let's go check the oil. Whoa! This is the engine of the forklift. Wow, there's so many cool things in here that provide the power for the forklift. I think we should check the oil together. Ooh. First, you take out the dipstick, and then you put it back in. And then you check the oil. Whoa. And it looks perfect. Now that is what I call ground line serviceability. All right, now it's time to operate the forklift. But first, safety first. We need to put on our safety equipment. I got my hard hat, and then I got my bright orange. Whoa, it's windy. It's like a cape. Okay, let's put it on. Zip it up. All right. Now all of our safety equipment's on. Now we can operate the forklift. Come on. All right, come here. Okay, we're inside the forklift now. And first, we need to put on our seatbelt. Oh, there we go, nice and tight. And this is the steering wheel of the forklift. Whoa, this turns the whole thing. This is the shifter knob, which makes it go forward and backward. And these knobs right here operate the mast, carriage, and forks. It makes it go up and down, tilt forward and backward, and then this makes it go left and right. Wow. All right, here we go. I'm gonna turn it on and drive away. Okay.
Hey, Blippi, can you help me out and move one of these pallets over to the warehouse?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thank you.
All right, whoa. All right, so did you hear that? So we have to pick one of these 4 pallets and move it to the warehouse. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what they have on them. Come here. Oh, this first pallet has 4 white buckets on it. This second pallet has 1 big blue barrel. This third pallet has 4 black tires. And this fourth pallet has a big bucket used on an excavator!
Hey, Blippi, who are you talking to? Get back to work.
Oh, okay, did you hear that? We need to hurry and get back to work or else we're gonna get in trouble. Okay, how about, let's do the tires. Yeah, that seems like a good one.
very much, Blippi. Good job.
Thank you. Good job to you. That was so much fun learning about forklifts with you. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you would like to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Look at what it is! It's an excavator! Yeah! Are you ready to learn about excavators with me? Yeah! Let's go! Excavators are so spectacular! Let's look at the parts of the excavator. Come here. Let's start with the cab. This, inside here, is where the operator of the excavator sits. Look inside. Wow, there's a lot of controls in there. Ooh, that looks fun. Okay, let's close the door. Oh, whoa, look. Yeah, these are the tracks of the excavator. Wow, there's no wheels and tires on an excavator. There are only these tracks. And it allows for it to go over rocks and mud and big piles of dirt and not even get stuck, like this. See, I didn't even get stuck. Woo, and look back here. This is the engine compartment. This is where the excavator gets all of its power from. Huh, look. Wow. There's more engine components on the other side and the top, but there's a bunch of radiators, coolant, and all that fun stuff in here. I almost forgot my favorite part, the bucket. Let's go. Whoa! Look at the bucket! This excavator bucket is really big! It can grab and scoop a bunch of dirt out of the earth. And this part right here, the clamper, yeah, it's called the thumb. Whoa! And look at all of this. Wow! This is the arm of the excavator. It's really tall. And that part, that is the boom of the excavator. The arm and the boom and the bucket. And how all of this gets powered are these hydraulic cylinders. Wow. They push fluid up so then everything can move. Whoa, it's like I'm an excavator. That was so much fun learning the parts of an excavator. Now it's time to operate the excavator. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First things first. Safety first. Yeah. Yeah. Look, I got my safety vest on and my hard hat. Ooh, see these joysticks? These are what operate the arm and the boom and the bucket. See? Oh, and this one makes it swivel. Watch this. Whoa! 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 Whoa, this is so much fun. Whee! Okay, and then I'll push it the other way. And now we're going to swivel around this way. Whoa! 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 Whee! Okay, here we go. All right, enough swiveling. Now it's time to dig. Pull the joysticks. Yeah! Whoa! Look at how big this scoop is! Yeah! Okay, now let's dump out the scoop. Whoa! That was a big scoop. We're on a little joyride in the excavator. We're just driving the excavator to find a new spot to dig in. Look at what it is! It's a stump! I wonder what's underneath the stump. This is where the stump used to be. I wonder what's underneath the stump. Looks like a bunch of dirt. A lot of dirt. And look, a giant rock. What else? Look, it's a boombox. Boomboxes play music. I wonder what song is in here.
Excavator.
It's the excavator song!
Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt! See you later. I'm an excavator.
Hey, it's time to act like an excavator. I'll teach you. All you gotta do is bring up your arm, like it's the arm in the boom in the bucket, and start to scoop. That's fun!
I've got a place where workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and grab. I'm a hole regulator, I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I work all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt! See you later. I'm an excavator, excavator, excavator.
That was so much fun learning about the marvelous machine of an excavator with you. Bye! Woo! Yeah! Hey! Whoa, look at what it is! It's a bulldozer! Are you ready to learn about bulldozers with me? Yeah! Let's go! Now it's time to operate the bulldozer. Woo! Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so fast. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need our safety equipment. Whoa! Look, I have my hard hat on. Yeah, and my safety vest. Ooh, orange and yellow. Now we're ready. Come on. Was a big bulldozer push. What is this? This looks like a vacuum from the 1600s. And it's in our way. So I think we should bulldoze the vacuum. Are you ready to learn about the parts of the bulldozer with me? Yeah, let's go! Let's go to the front. Whoa, wow, this right here is the blade. And the blade is used to push anything and everything out of its way. Whoa! Do you see up there? Those are the sweeps. And when the blade pushes large trees out of its way, if the tree falls down, it won't hit the driver in the cab. The cab! Whoa! Up there is the cab. Yeah, that's where the driver and the operator sits. That's so cool. Whoa! And look at these. Wow, these are the tracks. Whoa, the tracks are really useful for going over mud, dirt, rocks, debris, anything, and it won't even get stuck. Oh, and look at this compartment. Whoa, this compartment, yeah, is full of the hydraulics. It powers the blade, the tracks, and the scratchy-mabobs. Oh, come here. I love the scratchy-mabobs. Yeah, these, also known as the Ripper, rips up anything and everything on the ground, so it makes it nice and soft for the bulldozer. Ooh, and another compartment. Whoa. This compartment is the electrical compartment, and it has 2 batteries because this machine is so big. Oh, and I almost forgot, the engine. Come over here. Wow, that engine is so massive, and this machine is so cool. I was just doing the dozer dance. Will you do the dozer dance with me? Yeah, I'll teach you. Okay, first, you raise up your hands and your arms and act like you have a bulldozer blade, like this. Okay? And then you move your feet like the bulldozer tracks. So it looks like this. Good job! Okay, I have a really fun game. We'll do the dozer dance when we hear the music, but when you don't hear music and it stops, you need to freeze. Yeah, okay? Are you ready? Okay.
Listen.
Hold your arms out, march in place. Left foot, right foot, keep the pace. Move your arms up and down. Crouch and crouch down to the ground. Turn your hands. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Bulldozer dance. Stand up tall on 2 feet, from side to side, bounce to the beat. Raise your left knee, raise your right, raise your arms and raise them high. Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
We're dancing like a bulldozer. Dancing like a bulldozer.
Bulldozer dance.
It's a bulldozer dance.
Whoa! inside the bulldozer. Before we operate the bulldozer, we need, our seatbelt on. Okay, let's buckle that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, and look at this. Wow, this is the instrument cluster. See? The lights, the windshield wipers, and the key. And once you turn it on, then from there, the bulldozer has power. And right here, this joystick, whoa, whoa! When you push forward, it goes forward. Backward, you reverse, left, and go right. Wow. And this joystick over here, whoa, this operates the blade. So left, right, down, and up. Ooh. And this operates the ripper. Wow. Whoa. Whoa! What I'm doing here is bulldozing down some old dead trees. So then it'll make some room so we can plant some new ones.
Yeah! Did you see that? Yeah! I love bulldozers!
Bulldozers are such amazing pieces of machinery. Now it's time for the bulldozer song.
Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozers stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer, clearing the land. Bulldozer, pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer, constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll, roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine.
Roll, roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the
It's a yellow
bulldozer.
machine.
Woohoo! Woohoo! That was so much fun learning about bulldozers with you. Well, you gotta keep on keeping on. Life's a garden. Dig it. You just gotta make it work for you. So, anywho, if you wanna watch more of my videos, you know what to do, right? Yeah, just search for my name. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you later.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!